Hello, this is Joe Abenante at the Valley Library Consortium. In this section, we'll give you an overview of the searching process. When you search for an item in the database, you are actually searching through an index of information. For example, you search through an author index to find author. I'm going to scroll down here, and you can see we have author browse, author keyword. You also can search through subject indexes to find items on specific subjects, such as the Library of Congress subject browse, subject keyword. There are a number of indexes listed here in the search window on which you can base your search. The order of those indexes is determined at the library level. Searching involves three tasks: choosing a search, entering a search term, and finding the item. Choosing a search means you have to choose the type of search depending on the information you know when you start. For example, you may know the complete title, Whispers in the Dark, or just part of it, Whispers Dark. You may not know the exact title, but know the name of the author, Eleanor Taylor Bland. You may not know either a title or an author, but have a subject in mind, Bahamas fiction. So depending on the information you have will determine which index you choose. The most common searches are keyword, Boolean keyword, alpha browse, and exact match. Keyword searches. Keyword is a search for items by information, such as magic, chemistry, or a name, Mitchell, etc. Here, order of the terms does not matter. A title keyword search means you are searching keywords from title fields. Let's say you know the title has the words Death and Pemberley in it, but are not sure of the exact title. Here is where you would choose the index title keyword and then type in Death with a space, Pemberley. An author keyword search means you are searching keywords from author fields. Let's say you know the author's last name but not the first. Here is where you would choose the author keyword index and type in this case, Mitchell. Another common search is Boolean keyword. This search searches for items using special symbols to expand or narrow the search, and there will be a separate section devoted to that later. Then there's a browse search. This is an alpha search. Here, order of the terms does matter. A title browse search means you are searching an alphabetical list of titles. If you know the exact title, such as Gone with the Wind, you would choose Title Browse Index and then type in Gone with the Wind here. An author browse search means you are searching an alphabetical list of authors, last name first, corporations, and meeting names. For example, if you are searching for the author John Grisham, here is where you would type in that name. And finally, we have exact match searching. This searches for specific unique information, such as barcode, item number, ISBN number. Here is where you would select that index and then type in that exact number. So that's the first step, choosing the index on which you will base your search. The second step is entering a search term. And that just simply means you have to enter a specific word or words for which you want to search. If you've chosen a keyword index, that means the system will search for the terms exactly as you enter them. If you choose a browse search, that means the system accesses a browse list and places you at the closest entry in spelling the term. And finally, the third task is finding the item. After you've entered a search term, you will move through a series of screens to find the items you want. The search window, which you see before you, contains two main parts: a list of the indexes upon which you can base your search, and a search for prompt. This is a prompt for the term or terms on which you will search. And finally, a note about keyword searching. Searching on keyword indexes in the Horizon client, which is what this series is about, may yield different results than keyword searching that is done in HIP, or Horizon Information Portal. That's because HIP searches access more fields.